hello student, welcome back to Genius Print Education. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to check this Madhyamik result of 2021, which is CBSE. Okay, so in this previous video I have discussed about the assessment of the result, and number 2 is result date, declaration date. Okay, so if you have not seen this video, you can see it and continue with this video. Okay, so let's discuss about this video. But before I begin, I will request all of you, please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get the entire notification regarding our video. Okay, so in this session, I'm going to tell you this result of class 22 Madhyamik examinations of 2021. Okay, so let's start. See, here I am going to tell you that step how you will visit this or check your result when result will be uploaded. See, these are all the information which we got from this different social networks and some website of this CBSE. Okay, so if you have that means if you want to see this website, you can go, otherwise you can stay with our video. This I have taken for all of you to simplify your confusion. Okay, so let's start. Here step number 1 is you have to visit this official website of CBSE, which is cbse.nic.in. okay, there may be two websites. You have to go to this new website. Okay, so first one is you have to go cbse.nic.in, which is the official website of this Central Board of Secondary Education. Okay, so next step is you have to while you will go there, you will see a home page. Okay, so on the home page you have to click on the result tab. Okay, you have to click on what? Result tab. Result tab. Okay, because this result tab is on the home screen. It may be on this right or left corners of it also. You have to check this result tab and click on this result tab. Okay, so next step is after clicking this result tab, a new page will appear. Okay, on the screen a new page will appear. A new page will appear. Okay, so after this new page, that means visiting this new page, you have to click on the class 10 result of 2021. Okay, so number 4 is class 10 result. Class 10 result. Okay, so this is in the new page. You have to click on the class 10 result 2021, and then another page will appear on the screen. Okay, so after visiting this screen, you have to enter that means candidate field, that means whatever information they will want or demand to you. It may be admit numbers or registration number, some other numbers, if roll number also. Whatever information they will ask, you have to put this information. Okay, you have to put information. Okay, so this is number 5th step, and 6th is after entering this credential, you have to click on the submit button. Click on the submit button. Okay, see, all these informations I am giving here step by step. You have to do these things to see your result. Okay, so after submitting these options, your class 10 result will be appear on the screen. Okay, so nothing is you have to done later. You will see your result on the screen. Okay, so result you will see on the screen. So you have to download. Okay, download it and take the printout for this future reference. So number 8 step is you have to download the you have to download this printout of it. You have to download it and print out for this further reference. Okay, so here this 8 step I have discussed, through which you can see your result whenever they will announce. Okay, so result is not yet announced. They will announce most probably on the 20th June, for which I have already made another video. You have to see this and how marks or whatever marks you can get based on this previous examination done by your school, to see it also. Okay, so I'll request all the CBSE students, please see this video and share it with your friends so that they can also know about this. Okay, so here by seeing this video you should keep in mind how you have to check your Madhyamik exam result. Okay, so today in this video I have done discussed these things. If you want to continue your class, please write in the comment section that sir, we want to take class and of class 10 or 11. You have to write here. I will try to start as fast as possible. Okay, because some of the students already offline, they take this, they have that means booked us and take this registration. So if you want to also, that means want to register with us, you can also write in the comment sections. Then I will take another offline online sessions also for the CBSE. It is based on this physics, chemistry, biology and math, not only for those students who are very good but also for all students. I will try to that means take some other teachers also, so that they can explain all these things regarding your examinations. Okay, so to see these things free of cost, please stay with us and subscribe the channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the information regarding it. And another thing is that those who already subscribe our channel, I will that means request all of you, please stay with us, because I have delayed for taking or uploading different video. You have already commented that sir, please upload different class 10 video or chapters of class 10 video, but after saying it, then I was that means totally busy with some other constructional work. So for that reasons I was not able to upload this video. So I will request all of you, please stay with us and subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon to get all these things. And from today I will try to take this video continuously. Okay, so enjoy this full video and stay with us. So thank you for watching this video.